all. I hope that you are healthy and happy with your family. From this video, I'm going to speak in English because few of my friends suggested me to speak in English because they are not able to understand my previous video. So maybe I will continue from this video in English. Hope you all viewers support my channel and subscribe my channel. If you like, continue my workout with me, get the best results. Today we are going to start the hip workouts, which is to be good for your hip to get the result as soon as shape and strength for your hip. So please follow my workouts, get the result. Now let's get started. First exercise is side leg lift. Stand with your feet shoulder with distance apart, feel parallel. Hold your hands out in front of you for balance. Bend your knees, lowering your hips deeply. Your thigh are parallel with the floor, keeping your weight back in your heels. Then rise back up, straightening the leg completely and lifting the leg out to the side, squeezing the outer glute. This can be done 1 repetitions. Do 3 sets of 15 repetitions on each side or as you prefer your time. Very good for your legs, glutes, and this exercise is also challenging to your core muscles. Now let's have a rest. Next exercise is hamstring pull and side knee tap. Place your knees and hands on the mat. Come to bird dog position. Bring your left leg to the behind of you. Make sure your leg is straight behind. Leg extension at your back. Then bring your knee towards your butt. The third time you need to tuck in beside of your hip. Tuck in. First you need to do the leg extension. Second, tuck in your knees. Bend your knees towards your butt. Third, you have to tuck in your knees beside your hip and bring your knees towards your chest. Now let's have a rest. Next we change to opposite leg, right leg. Same procedure can be done. Leg extension, bend your knees towards your butt. The third step, you have to tuck in your knees behind your beside your right side hip. Make sure you can bring your knees towards your chest as you can as possible. Bend your knees nicely, smoothly. Slow control motion. Don't hold your breath. Inhale, exhale, which is the benefits of this exercise is tighten your lower back muscles and your hamstrings and also your obliques. Now let's have a rest. Be ready for the next exercise. Deep squats plus hip twist. 3, 2, 1, start. Deep squats and come back to the standing positions. Make your hip turn nicely back towards the back side of your body. At the same time, you need to bring your hand on the back side, point your back side of your body. Give a nice twist of your hip, which is strengthen your hip muscles and core muscles of your hip. Squeeze your butt. Turn nicely as well as you can possible. Turn nicely well. Do it in the opposite side. One squat, then opposite side. Squat, opposite side. Now let's have a rest. Now lie on your back on the mat. Lie flat on the floor with your lower back pressed to the ground and knees bent. Your feet should be on the floor and your hands are behind your head. Contract your core muscles in your abdomen to stabilize your spine. Exhale and slowly at first go through a bicycle pedal motion, bringing one knee up towards your arm while straightening the other leg, keeping both elevated higher than your hips. Rotate your torso so you can touch your elbow to the opposite knee as it comes up. Alternate to twist to other side while that knee towards your armpit and the other leg extended until your elbow touches the alternate knee. Now let's have a rest. Come back to the standing position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This exercise is a 3 pendulum swing plus leg raise. Make straight your arm, fold towards your face. Your leg must be straight while doing the pendulum swing. The third time you need to raise up your leg by the side. 1, 2, 3. Opposite side, raise your leg opposite side. 3 pendulum, third time you must raise your opposite side. Left leg, 3 pendulum, then opposite leg, right leg, raise. I felt very slippery, very struggle when I was doing in this. Now let's have a rest. Now come back to the mat. This exercise is called glute bridge. Lie face up on the floor with your knees bent and your heels on the floor. Raise your hips so your body forms a straight line from your knees to your shoulder. Keep your hips in this position. Lift your right knee to your chest, then lower your leg back to the floor. Repeat with your left leg and continue to the alternative sides. Nice deep breath. Don't hold your breath. Do it nicely well and raise your knee towards your chest as nicely as you can possible. It will prevent your back pain. Very good, effective for your spinal cord. Now let's have a rest. When during the rest time, breathe in, breathe out nicely. Now next exercise is jump squat plus combo. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Start by doing a regular squat. Then engage your core and jump up highly as you can as possible. When you land, lower your body back nicely. Squat positions to complete your repetitions, which requires to control your motion slowly, which is benefit for your stronger glutes, to give stronger glutes and muscles. Nice squeeze your abs and side hip muscles. Now let's have a rest break. You can have a break or pause for the video for a longer time. Now I'm continue my next level, bridge plus leg lift. Now lie flat your upper body on the mat. Balance your glute with the help of your left leg. Make it stronger while you balance your glutes. Keep your hands on the mat. Another leg must go straight, up and down motion. Give a nice slow motion towards up and down so that your glutes hip muscles squeeze well. Give a nice raise. Now let's have a rest. During the rest period, you can stretch your muscles, your thigh muscles. Now let's change to opposite side. Now the left leg going to be raised. Balance your glutes again. Left leg raise, down, up, down. My right leg is balancing my glutes. The upper body is at rest, only the glutes are working, lower body is working in your parts of our body. Make sure your legs must be straight motion. Don't try to touch the mat. Balance yourself as nicely. Don't hold your breath. And inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Oh, done. Now let's have a rest. Now come back to the standing position. The next exercise is Kirsty lunges plus side leg raise. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your arms down at your side, putting your weight into your right foot. Step back and around with your left foot, almost if you're kirsting, allowing your arms to come up in front of you to a complete comfortable motion. Ensure that your chest stays proud. Begin to straighten your right leg, pushing up through your heel. Come back to the position. Extend your right leg by the side, then opposite side. Again, bend your knees. Your left leg, try to touch your toe while raising the legs by the side. Now let's rest. Now lie down the mat. Keep your elbow to balance your body on the mat. Make sure your two legs is straight as possible. This exercise is very benefits for your hip, butts and thigh muscles to be contract. Your hip muscle can be very flexible and gets mobility for your hip. Give a nice raise. Make sure your another leg is rest in a straight motion. Squeeze your hip nicely. Now rest. Now let's change to opposite leg. Come back to the same position. Your elbow, you can rest your elbow on the mat. Now lie on the surface of the mat, the head with the right hand on the ground and place the left hand on the hip. Keep your body in a straight line and brace the core. Lift the leg slowly into the air, keeping is fully extended throughout the exercise. Slowly bring the leg down. Repeat until your preferred timing. This exercise will help to tighten your muscles, hip muscles, and give a shape to your hip. Now let's have a rest. This is the last workout that's going to be done now. This is one of my favorite exercise using a dumbbells, or you can use any water bottle. Bring your dumbbells towards your face while you're lying on the mat. Then slowly raise your hands up, your arms up. Then you come back to your sit position. This is very effective exercise for your abs to contract your muscles, tighten, and your arms tighten. Doing this exercise, bring your dumbbells towards your face while lying on the mat, then raise up your hands. When you're sitting position, your knees must be in triangle shape. Workout completed. Okay viewers, alright, workout done. Hope you all like my workouts, and please continue my channel. Stay to be fit, healthy and strong. Thank you so much.